Let us help you spring forward this March with music, theater, and celebrations in Bartlesville. Price Tower Art Center continues their exhibition Origami in the Garden through March 25th. Visit Heritage Theater to see A Murder Mystery on March 9th and 10th. Tickets are available by calling the Heritage Theater or visiting them online. Woolarock's Animal Barn opens for the season on Wednesday, March 14th. Visit the Animal Barn to see goats, donkeys, sheep, varieties of birds, and much more. Woolarock's authentic 1840s Mountain Man Camp opens Wednesday, March 14th. The public is welcome to visit the Mountain Man Camp at no additional charge to view the customs and lifestyles of early day traders. On Saturday, March 24th, celebrate the symphony. The Bartlesville Symphony Orchestra will perform Saturday, March 24th, beginning at 7:30 p.m. For more information on these events and so much more, go to our website at visitbartlesville.com. Don't pitch me! I'm wearing green. You just can't see it.